palagi na lang naaalala kong mag-video pag nasa hagdan. Kaya, ayan, it's very late na. Ewan ko, I was into editing videos. So, yun, kaya maraming ginagawa. Mag-dinner ako. Late na lang ako kakain bukas. Namiss natin ito. Ube, diba? Different shades of midnight blue. Puro midnight blue. Pero, iba-iba siyang shade, oh. Hindi ko to color, pero secondary siya. But I really love it kasi medyo social siya. Diba? Though yung palda yun, hindi naman siya mukhang pamasok sa school, diba? Pero, I love it. So, this was the following day. Nagtatry ako ng different route. Kasi, alam nyo, mag-F1 na ngayon. And may mga road closures. And may na-realize akong bagong daan. At may kasalanan ako kay Sig today. Wait ko na lang sa vlog niya. Sa kapatid ko. Kumakain ako ng langka. Alam nyo ba na ang langka pampabong ng pekpek? Naniniwala kayo?
I had one client.
Hi! May class ako later. And yan, prepare na ako. Wala lang. Masaya ako. So, later, may mga ginawa akong contents. Ngayon lang ulit kasi ako ginaganan gumawa ng contents and finally parang nahanap ko na yung starting tagline ko na tinulungan ako ng sister ko i-identify yung salitang they say. For example, sabi, they say food is foreplay. Mga ganon. Okay, sabihin, they say beauty is pain. So, bali sa mga ganon mag-start yung hook ko ng mga videos. And wala, thanks to Sig for identifying that. And she feels like yung niche ko is pa-sexy talaga. So, with my voice there, like paakit, puro hininga, ganun. So, my niche is like pa-sexy talaga. Parang yun talagang identity ko na. And happy ako na-identify ko na yung niche ko, diba? Kasi maraming mga, dadaan ka talaga sa face ng vlogging, wherein hindi mo alam kung ano bang ginagawa mo. Diba? Ayun. So, bali, post ka lang ng post, ng kung ano-ano, basta may ma-post na lang. Ganun ako eh. Maging consistent lang sa posting, kahit ano na lang. But anyway, happy ako na medyo identified na siya. Pero magpo-post pa rin ako ng walang kwenta.
The most transform award goes to... Okay, the one that went through a lot in this training, learned a lot of like, what the fuck is this award? Okay, but no. So yes, vulnerability and growth, showing deep personal evolution during this journey. Okay, the one that reflect the most deeply in all your reflection has to go to Abby. Nobody can beat Abby's depth of reflection.
So, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung mga contents na ginawa ko past 2 days. Wherein parang, yun nga, na-recognize ni Sig yung opening hook or tagline ko. Tignan nyo na lang.
They say beauty is pain, but beauty should feel like pleasure. This little toy-looking thing, it's actually my new obsession, the dual head shaver. Don't let the size fool you. She's powerful, waterproof, and leaves me silky smooth in places I want to be kissed. Dual head design means it gets every curve, every contour. No nicks, no drama, just glide and reveal. It's fully waterproof. I use it in the shower and step out like a goddess. Soft, glowing, and definitely kissable. Battery life, Well, it lasts longer than some men I know. And with Type-C charging, she's always ready when I am. So, yeah, they can call it a shaver, but I call it my secret weapon. Smooth enough to make them want to kiss me down there. They say food is foreplay. Let's test that theory. Welcome to 8 Korean Barbecue. Look at this cozy environment. And look at that view. Look at this spread. 8 flavors of pork belly, each one with its own personality. Sweet, spicy, bold, smooth. It's like lining up your exes, but this time, you actually enjoy them. See what I mean? Foreplay. Every bite is teasing me into wanting the next one. What I love about Korean barbecue is that it's hands-on. You get to play, flip, wrap, and create your own pleasure, just like in the bedroom. It's not just about rushing to the end. It's like about enjoying the build-up. And the sides, kimchi, pickles, lettuce wraps, they balance out the heat, keep things fresh, and make sure you don't get overwhelmed. Kinda like aftercare, right? You need to complete the experience. Special thanks to Joseph, who took such good care of us. He made sure the grill stayed perfect, the sides kept coming, and honestly, good service is the ultimate turn on. So yeah, they were right. Food is foreplay. And tonight proved it. Whether you're feeding your appetite for barbecue, travel, or love, remember, the tease is just as important as the taste.
Be, I swear by this pang-ahit. Solid siya talaga. Ano ba to? Yung strap pala yun. Kala ko almero. So, solid siya talaga, be. Dual head siya. So, yung parang top is parang normal lang na shaver. Pero ito, yung ilalim, nililinis niya. Ang kinis niya pag ginanon mo. Kunin ko nga. Ayan, so ito siya. Nasa bedside na. Bakit nasa bedside? So anyway, ito yung ilalim niya. Kapag ginanon mo siya talaga sa skin, parang kumikinis. Inalis ko nga yung bigote ko. Kasi diba yung tawag doon? Nag-IPL ako. So, when you do IPL talaga, you have to shave it off first. So, parang lagi ako nag-aalangan mag-shave talaga kasi baka maging full-blown Manny Pacquiao bigote. Ganun yung ko. Pero, inalis ko gamit nito. So, parang di ako nag-alala. Kasi ang smooth niya talaga after. So, pati yung sa kilikili, parang on the go. Ang dali na lang. Hindi yung kailangan may preparation thingies ka pa na alam mo yun? Tapos hindi siya mahapde kapag niligyan mo ng deodorant. Be, eto na to. Ang niya talaga, ang dali niyang gamitin. Yun yung nakita kong convenience for me. Kasi parang anytime siya, hindi siya yung tulad na pang-ahit na kailangan nasa mood ka, kundi baka masugatan ka. Alam mo yung ganon? Or kailangan mo planuhin yung days na ahit ka. Yung ganon, be. Kasi ito, pwedeng araw-araw. So, nasa yellow basket ko to. Hindi ko alam kung available sa Philippines yung yellow basket ko. Pero sa Singapore, available siya. Pero ito, ang pinaka-unang item na talagang pinromote ko at nilagyan ko ng yellow basket. Parang first item ko to naman na may yellow basket. Nakatuwa, no? Pero ginagamit ko talaga siya. So anyway, yun lang naman ay aking recommendation. Kung ayaw nyo, di wag. And ayan, feeling ko na puno ko na yung yung 10 minutes ko. Kaya, babu until our next vlog.